Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy has Snapdragon or Exynos processor. Just follow these simple steps. So let's start from the home screen. Find the Play Store app and go into the search and type in device info. Install any first app you see and go into it. Then navigate to the CPU section, and here you will see which processor you have. So in our example, we are using Galaxy A56 5G and it has Samsung Exynos processor. Also, you can see a lot of other info about your phone here. So if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.